Today we're gonna draw a cute ghost. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lesson. Now let's look at the picture. We can see a head and a body, arms, a crown and a cute face. Let's look at the picture one more time. A head and the body, arms, a crown and a cute face. Now let's start drawing. The first step we are gonna draw is a head and the body. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here, right in the middle, and draw a big U shape, upside down U shape. Then let's connect these ends with curves or bumpy lines. Repeat after me. Then let's draw arms. I draw sideways G shape on the left side and G shape on the right side. Okay, that's right. Then let's draw a cute face. Let's draw eyes. 2 dots. The first and the second. Then let's draw a smile. Horizontal line between eyes. Then U shape under this line and small curve inside for tongue. Oh, you're doing great! I like your line. Now let's draw a crown. Draw 2 diagonal lines on the right side over here on the top of the head and connect these ends with zigzag line. Our ghost is almost ready. Let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. I choose gold for crown, tracing, and coloring inside. Then I choose pink for blush and draw 2 ovals under the eyes and color it inside. Then I choose dark pink for tone, tracing and coloring inside. You can choose any color you like. Then I choose gray for this part of mouth. Tracing and coloring inside. Then I choose blue and dark pink for tracing our cute ghost. Oh, I like your ghost. It's so cute. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie Art. Also, you and your parents can download and print my cute coloring page. I'll link in the description under the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you on the next lesson. Bye bye!